Alright, so this exercise wants you to use your graphing utility to find the zeros of this question. And the question here is, what is it talking about when it talks about left bound, right bound? So let's go ahead and graph this question, or this quadratic. So I'm going to go to y equals, and you can see I've typed it in, 4x squared minus 2x minus 5, and you just use your keyboard to type it in. Let me just go ahead and do it. 4x squared minus 2x minus 5. Alright, so we have it in. Now I'm going to graph it. And depending on what your window's set, you may need to change that. You can do that by resetting your window. Now we're going to go to, it says use the second calc and then the 0. So I'm going to do second calc, because there's the calc. Number 2, enter. And now it says left bound. So where are my zeros? Well, it looks like there's one here and one here. It's not asking for the y-axis or the y-intercept. That's the 0 there, but it wants the x-0. So whenever you're asked to find the zeros of a function, it's talking about the x-intercepts. So I'm going to scroll up, and notice it says left bound. So my 0 is right around there. So I'm going to go just a little bit to the left of it. Enter. Now it's asking for the right bound. So I'm going to go a little bit to the right of where I think the 0 is. Enter. Now guess. So there's my guess. Enter. So it looks like the 10 is negative 0.8956439, and I think it says round to the nearest thousandths, so it'd be negative 0.896. So the nearest thousandths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. All right, now I want to find the other 0, which is somewhere over here. So I want to go back to that second calc, number 2. And this time, let's go my left bound. And we can say, okay, there's kind of my guess. There's my left bound. Enter. Right bound. Enter. And then my guess. Enter. And it looks like the other 0 is 1.396. Again, round to the nearest thousandths.